everyone, welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Police seek custody of Parab family for interrogation in Vedashri suicide case, says has ample evidence. Hearing on bail plea postponed on Tuesday. CBI court adjourns hearing on anticipatory bail applications of Rane's in mining lease bribery case. SIT files affidavit, interim relief extended. Rane and John hasn't performed as per their position. Both should know people are watching them. Expel Walanka and Sardine, Reginald says in head-on. Adani Group to establish its foothold in Goa with a dedicated coal handling terminal at MPT. Expansion with 451 crores in two major PPP-based projects. And India wins historic test match against England at Lord's. First win in last 28 years and second test win in 17 test matches at Lord's. Ishant Sharma claims 7 wickets. Now the news in details. Margao police is seeking custody of accused Parab family in Vedashri suicide case. Police has submitted their say in the Sessions Court Margao seeking denial of anticipatory bail to Yogesh Atmaram and Amita Parab. Vedashri's in-laws tortured her for almost 5 years, forcing her to death. There are evidences supporting the accusations. It has to be probed whether Vedashri had left any suicide note. This is the say of police before the court. Court has denied interim relief to Parabs.
Anticipatory bail to Yogesh Parab and his associate family members should not be granted. This is what Margao police have sought in their say before the Margao court. Vedashri's father had revealed that her in-laws raised the level of torture after Vedashri gave birth to a girl child. Vedashri's in-laws forced her to commit suicide along with her 45-month-old daughter. Now Vedashri's accused husband, father-in-law and mother-in-law have applied for anticipatory bail. Margao police has objected their bail pleas. These are the excerpts of say by Margao police. Accused applicants are not cooperating in investigation. Accused applicants have locked their Fatoda flat untraceable. LIB staff tried to trace the accused but could not trace them. House search of accused residence is required to find out or recover any suicide note if left by the victim. Accused might threaten witnesses or tamper with evidence if bailed out. Police in their say have mentioned that accused Yogesh Parab and his family might try to destroy evidences if court grants them anticipatory bail. Police have also mentioned that they have come across ample evidence which corroborates with the complaint. Custodial interrogation of accused might lead to more information. Hence, court should not grant anticipatory bail to the accused Parab family. 7 days have passed. Police have not arrested a single one in this case. Masaroda villagers have threatened to charge on accused family's ancestral home in Menkure if police do not arrest accused within 4 days. Police has recorded statements of around 17 witnesses. Police recorded statements of Vedashri's sister, cousins and friends on Sunday. The arguments on anticipatory bail plea filed by accused Parab family has been adjourned for Tuesday. There is no interim relief to Parab family. At least now, police can arrest the accused. Savio Dias for Prudent.
The CBI court has adjourned the hearing on anticipatory bail application of senior Congress leader Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane in Dahej Minerals lease bribery case. Specially investigating agency on Monday filed its affidavit and the defence side has also submitted some documents before the court. The court has extended interim relief to the senior and junior Rane till further order. Matter will be heard on Friday. Meanwhile, Babu Kavlekar has ruled out his alleged links in the Dahej mining case.
Special investigating team of Goa police on Monday filed its affidavit before the CBI court at Mapsa against former Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane in mining lease bribery case. Accused Pratap Singh Rane and Vishwajit Rane also presented some documents before the court in their defence. While adjourning the hearing for Friday, the CBI court has given liberty to the parties to file their replies on next date of hearing.
Yeah, matter was listed today. We have filed a reply, they have filed their affidavit along with documents. And the matter will come up for hearing on the 25th.
SIT of Goa Police has booked Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane after complaint by Chairman and Managing Director of Dahej Minerals, Bhalchandra Naik. Naik in a statement given to police has alleged that Pratap Singh Rane has demanded a bribe of 10 crore rupees and accepted 6 crores in order to get environmental clearance for his mine at Pariye during his tenure as Chief Minister. Meanwhile, the court has extended interim relief from arrest to the senior and junior Ranes till further order.
Meanwhile, KP MLA Babu Kavadekar refuted claim of his link in this episode. Babu claims that he neither accompanied Girish Pai to Rane's residence at Sakari nor requested him.
प्रश्न येना प्रश्नच येना ह्यो वचपाचो प्रश्न येना हो म्हाका टॉपिक नवोच हांव केन्ना गेलोच ना आनी मायनिंगाक लागून राण्या कडेन वचपाचो प्रश्न येना.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
John Fernandez and Pratap Singh Rane are not doing justice to their positions. Alex Reginald has come out openly about the leadership crisis in his party. He said that his party would match Goan's expectations for Assembly session. Congress will give a good fight back during Assembly session. Reginald was speaking to us in a weekly head-on. He has demanded expulsion of Valanka and Sardina from the Congress.
He as opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane and as GPCC President John Fernandez.
Yes.
Both have failed as leaders to steer the party as an effective opposition.
I think it is right. I think let's put it this way. Let's be more positive. I think they should have taken better role than what they are doing to see that the party comes back to being a opposition which people want, or rather lokak apeksha hat te opposition japak tenge prayatnan te fail dale. I think John, whatever intention he may have, I don't say he's having bad or I don't say he's having good, but I think he should come back to reality and be practical.
After seeing his style of working,
yeah,
is Alex Reginald happy?
I am not very happy. I think High Command should step in and tell him that this is your limit. You cannot cross this limit.
You want Valanka Alema out of the party?
I want Valanka Alema out of the party. And second is the ex-MP. Chachil Alema 4 ticket dille gelte party. That's right, huh? He has got any moral right and ethics? Does he know what is ethics? Even in politics. Sora dekho ek yahan asta. Sora dekho apna ye area bayro asna. And to apna area dusra ko party na and apla area sod dusra ke area asna. Ethics man. Sardin mula kine. What does he have ethics? Can you believe Alex Sikir? Jay Muncha neatly orsan Congress party kele. Joki alema. ए बिसोले इन कांग्रेस पार्टी नाले एक हाताल लो कौनो.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.